So today's video is just a little bit of behind the scenes footage of me at home. It's a Monday. It's like the third day of fall. So transitioning from summer to fall. I did a little bit of decorating, so I can share that with you now. Turn the camera around so you can see. So that's just the area where we have a TV. So I did a little bit of decorating there. So it's a little bit of pumpkins and harvest type of flower arrangements, just to get the feel of a little bit of the fall. Oh, and at the door, I do have that. The little jingle bells that I have on the knobs. So I'm just starting to decorate for fall. So we haven't done too much. We have this here. I'm thinking I'm gonna hang that up somewhere. Let's see, a couple little pumpkins there. But that's it for right now. It's fall, y'all. What are you doing differently this year than you did last year? Trying to get into the spirit of the seasons, because 2020 has been really it's a blessing to be alive, but it's been a challenge. So again, it is Monday and I'm working. Kids are out of school today here because it's a Jewish holiday, and our school system follows those I guess a Jewish calendar. I don't know how else to say that. But today, just planning to tighten up some things with the boutique. Maybe look online for some more items that I need to purchase. Interact on Facebook and Instagram a little bit. And I think I have maybe one delivery scheduled to come in today, but I'm not sure. I have to check on some deliveries that I'm expecting. And I need to tighten up my spreadsheet that records my inventory and sales. So those are the things that I will be doing today. Happy fall. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the inventory that has come in. We have a lot of the joggers that are in, and the order that I'm about to send off is actually one of the joggers. The order came in on Sunday morning. It's now Monday, and I'm going to take it to the post office. Monday. Time to get things on the pocket. So now I have to put on my mask and go out here into this post office and get this mail department. Okay, so I just finished mailing up a package, and I just want to share with you some things that I learned about shipping. Shipping is very expensive. If your package or whatever you're shipping off doesn't fit into one of these envelopes, it's priority mail. It's a flat rate envelope. This one is $7.95, but if you get any of the other boxes that are marked priority mail, and if it says medium size or more, it could cost you as much as $15, and that could really eat into your profits with your sales. So that's just something that you want to be aware of. All of them look almost alike, but this one clearly says flat rate envelope. This is the one you want to look for. The boxes, they're expensive. Just a little tip.